So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book a round trip flight here on the Air Canada app. So first thing you have to do once you open up the app is to go to the bottom left and select on the book option. Once you're here at the top under book, you have round trip, one way, and multi-city. Make sure that for a round trip flight, it goes without saying a round trip is selected. Once that is done, select where you want to depart from. So in this example, if I wanted to depart from Vancouver, and let's just say you wanted to go to Toronto, I will go ahead and select Toronto. Once this is here, select your depart date and your return date. So let's say I wanted to fly out on July 2nd and I wanted to fly back on July 5th as an example. I can then go to the bottom right and press continue. Once your dates are selected, you can adjust the passengers here. So you can do one passenger, you can do youths, children, or whatever. If this looks good to you, press continue. And then where it says cabin right here, you can select what seat class you want to sit in. So there's economy, premium economy, and business class. I will just keep economy for this video. If you have any promotion codes, you can apply those as well. But if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and press search round trip flights. Once you're on this page right here, it'll show you sort of the flights for the dates that you selected. So you can go ahead and select any of these. Now, if you want to change the dates, go to the top right, select the pencil icon. You can edit any of the search stuff, then once again, search it. But for example, if I wanted to do this flight right here, I will just do basic, press continue, and then I can go ahead and press this flight back, press basic, press continue, and then you can preview the flights that you've picked here. So in my case, departing Thursday the 2nd, returning Sunday the 5th. It'll show you the times, the flight duration, etc. You can then adjust the passenger details. You can then select your credit card or use your Canada wallet. It'll then show you the fare summary, the charges, as well as the fees. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on where it says accept and book, and then you can go ahead and confirm and book your flight that way. So that is how you guys can book a round trip flight here on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.